And this time around, we are dealing with total value. Total value. Before we look at total value, or before we look at any example, I want you to consider a case here. We have a number here, 1,209. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4-digit number. 1,209. Now, 9 is the biggest digit here. 9 is greater than 0, 9 is greater than 2, 9 is greater than 1. But its position make it have a smaller value. If you have been given 9 and you have been given 1,000, I'm very certain that I'm very sure you will go to 1,000. Why? It has a greater value. So 9 can also have a greater value if it is given a higher position. Also, we celebrate position 1, position 2, position 3. So if you're in position 1 and you're in position 10, you feel that there's a difference there. So 9 is smaller, it is in a smaller position, and that one make it has a smaller value. 1 is in higher position, and that one makes it have a bigger value. So total value is that value that the digit adds to the number. Like digit 1 here is adding value of 1,000. Yeah? 1,000. This digit 2 is adding a value of 200. Then digit 0 is adding a value of 0. Then digit 9 is adding a value of 9. So the value the digit adds or brings to the number is referred to as the total value. So that's why sometimes, or not all the times, but sometimes you see that instead of asking you what is the total value, they will ask you what is the value of digit 2, what is the value of digit 9. So let us say that total value this is the value the digit. This is the value the digit is bringing. This is the value the digit is bringing to the number, or the digit brings. This is the value the digit brings to the number. The digit brings or adds. Between brings and add, or adds. This is the value the digit adds to the number. This is the value the digit adds to the number. It is referred to as the total value. So if you are asked the total value, already you know that this one have a higher total value than digit 9. Though we know that 9 is greater digit, it's a bigger digit compared to 1. It's greater than 2, is greater than 1, greater than 0. But it is in the position 1s. That one is making it to have a smaller value. So what can you say? Total value of a digit, total value of a digit is equals to the place value times the digit. Total value of a digit is equals to place value times the digit. As simple as that. I don't want us to complicate anything here. In order to get the total value, take the place value, write the place value in figures, then multiply by the digit. You get the total value. So in abbreviation, we can say total value TV is equals to place value PV times the digit. So that is now very clear. That is the total value. As simple as that. So let us consider an example 1 here, where we are being asked the total value. Example 1. Let's say, what is the total value of digit 7 and 8 in the number below? What is the total value? What is the total value of digits 7 and what is the total value of digit 7 and 8 in the number below? What is the total value of digit 7 and 8 in the number below? So what is our number? The number below here, we have 1, 2, 7, 5, 4, 8, 3, 6, 9. That is the number. So we are being asked the total value of digit 7 and digit 8 in this number. So we have said, what is the total value? Total value is the place value times the digit. So first, I start with the solution here. Start with the first digit. When you're writing digit 7, start with digit 7. Now, place value. What is the place value of digit 7 here? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions. So, place value, that's now millions. Write millions in figures. A million has how many digits? 7 digits, 6 zeros, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's now a million, place value. So I already know the place value, and now I'm talking of digit 7. And what have we said? Total value is equals to place value times the digit. So I'll say total value TV is equals to place value PV times the digit. That's the formula. Total value is equals to place value times digit. So here, my place value is 1 million. That's now millions written in figures. Multiplied by digit, which is 7. So 1 million times 7, that's now 7 million. Very simple. That is how I get the total value of which digit? Digit 7. Total value is place value times the digit. Place value times digit give me the total value. Already you know how to get the total value of digit. So you see the value of digit 7 here is greater than the value of digit 8. Reason being they are in different position. Digit 7 is in a millions position. Digit 8 is in thousands position. Now I move to the next digit, which is now digit 8. So digit 8, what is its place value? What is place value of digit 8? Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. So place value is thousands. That's the place value of which digit? Digit 8. So if the place value is thousands, I write these thousands in figures. 1,000 has how many zeros? 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. That's now 1,000. Then the formula, we have that total value is equals to place value times the digit. Total value is equals to place value times the digit. So if total value is equals to place value times the digit, I'll have the place value, which is 1,000 times digit, which is 8. This one will give me 8,000. Very simple. So that's how we get the total value. And last time we saw how we can also get the place value. We know what total value is, the value that that digit adds to the number, and place value is the position of that digit in that number. So total value depends on the position of the digit in the number. It does not depend on the digit. We can have a smaller digit occupying a bigger position, and now its value will be bigger than a bigger digit occupying a smaller position. That is what you need to understand. So I want you to get for me the total value just assignment. What is the total value of digits 4 and 5? 4 and 5 in the number. What is the total value of digits 4 and 5 in the number? So what is the number? 185 463 then 507. So we have 2 5s here. So I'm going to kill one. Let me say this is now 9, so that you don't have stress. So it is 4 and 5. 4 and 5.